Are you tired of manually copying Notion tasks into Google Calendar? Learn how to sync them automatically in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps to install the Notion add-on in Google Calendar. Just follow along. Start by clicking the Get Add-ons icon in the right sidebar of Google Calendar. Then, in the search bar, type Notion to find the add-on. Once you see it, click Install and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After it's done, you'll be back in Google Calendar. Finally, click Done to finish up. That's it. You're all set to sync Notion with Google Calendar. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.